Hi, this is Alan. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to apply the E-Tunai Rakyat 2020. E-Tunai Rakyat 2020 is an initiative by the government of Malaysia to promote the usage of e-wallets in the country. From January 15, 2020, the government will be giving RM30 to all eligible Malaysians, which can be claimed from one of the participating wallets. Grab, Boost, and Touch and Go have been selected to participate in the government's E-Tunai Rakyat program. The campaign will kickstart on Jan 15, 2020 and will run for 2 months until March 14, 2020. Claims can be made and fully utilized within the 2 months time frame. E-Tunai Rakyat Malaysia 2020's eligibility. First, you must be a Malaysian citizen. Second, you must be 18 years old or older, as of December 31, 2020. Third, your earning is less than RM100,000 for 2018. Without further ado, let's check out how to get E-Tunai Malaysia RM30 incentive. This is a step-by-step tutorial of how to apply your E-Tunai Malaysia with Boost. You need to have a Boost apps in your mobile phone. Just go to Play Store or iOS to download and install it. Then register an account. Then upgrade to Premium Wallet and verify by clicking this wallet icon at the top right corner. You will come to this page and you can click the Upgrade to Premium Wallet. Click Upgrade now. To upgrade to Premium Wallet, you need to submit image of your NRIC or passport. And also your video selfie. Boost assure you they will keep your data securely according to the local laws and regulations. Click the OK. Got it button. Select the I'm Malaysian if you are Malaysian. Before you start to take ID photo, please ensure the ID picture is within the frame. Do not use flash. ID picture is clear, without any reflection. Click the Take ID Photo button. Place your IC within the frame, tap it to focus. Then press the camera icon below. You can retake if it is blur or click the Proceed button if your IC details are readable and are not blurry. After that, you will need to take a selfie. Put your face within the circle on your screen. Follow the instruction to turn your face left and right. Then press the button below. Congratulations! You have submitted your request to upgrade to Premium Wallet. Boost will take few hours to approve your request. Once approved, you will receive this message. Then, you can click this button to claim your RM30 E-Tunai. You will come to this page. Scroll down and click the Submit Claim button. You need to verify your details. Your name and IC number will be shown and there is an invite code column for you to fill in. If you don't have any invite code, you can put my invite code in. My code is ALA27V3D. If you use my code, then I will get reward from Boost. You won't be losing anything. Thank you in advance if you are using my invite code. Click the Confirm button and it's done. Next you just need to wait for your RM30 to be credited to your Boost account. And you can have a chance to win the mega bonus of RM8888. But for me, I won RM3 only. So, that's it for this video. Hope your application is smooth and fast. And I wish you good luck for the mega bonus. See you in my next video.